Launched in 2006, NASA's New Horizons is one of the fastest spacecraft ever built, blazing through space at over 36,000 miles per hour. Its primary mission was to explore Pluto, a once mysterious world lurking in the dim outskirts of the Solar System, over 3 billion miles from the Sun. In 2015, New Horizons made its historic flyby of Pluto, unveiling a landscape that looked like something out of science fiction with towering ice mountains, plains of frozen nitrogen that stretch for hundreds of miles, and glaciers that seem to flow like rivers. But New Horizons didn't stop at Pluto. The spacecraft pushed onward into the eerie and largely unexplored Kuiper Belt, a colossal ring of frozen bodies and ancient debris that circles the Sun beyond Neptune. This vast region, spanning a staggering 2 billion miles, is a frozen graveyard of the Solar System's formation, littered with icy rocks, dwarf planets, and comets that have been preserved in a deep freeze for billions of years. In 2019, New Horizons performed the most distant flyby in history, zipping past Arrokoth, an oddly shaped object resembling a flattened snowman. This strange reddish Kuiper Belt object, KBO, formed from two smaller bodies that gently merged, gave scientists a direct glimpse into the building blocks of planets. Today, from over 5 billion miles away, New Horizons is still sending data back, transmitting faint signals that take over 6 hours to reach Earth. However, the spacecraft's work is far from over as it is heading deeper into the Solar System, currently at 60 astronomical units, AU, from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 93 million miles, which is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. At $60 from the Sun, the New Horizons spacecraft has made a groundbreaking discovery, revealing something unexpected in the distant reaches of the Solar System. The distance of the Kuiper Belt from the Sun means that anything within the belt is very minimally affected by solar radiation. That, in turn, means that Kuiper Belt objects likely have largely remained unchanged since the formation of the Solar System some 4.6 billion years ago. This makes KBOs the ancient remnants of the cloud of material known as the Solar Nebula, from which the Sun and planets formed. To support New Horizons' ongoing exploration at the edge of the Solar System, astronomers here on Earth have been conducting observations of the Kuiper Belt using the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan's Subaru telescope. To date, Subaru's observations have revealed 263 new Kuiper Belt objects. However, in a plot twist, a large international team of astronomers, led by Wesley Fraser of the National Research Council of Canada, has found objects much farther away, challenging our planetary models. Yes, hints of a hidden structure have been detected at the edge of the Solar System. Observations showed that 11 of these objects are located way beyond where we thought the Kuiper Belt ended, in a region over 70 astronomical units from the Sun. But that's not even the crazy part. Based on the number of these objects found, researchers have estimated the density of the outer Kuiper Belt ring. They found that while it is lower than the inner regions, it is still dense enough to have or form a new structure. And between the Kuiper Belt and the newfound structure, there is a region where almost nothing has been found, a mysterious gap. But is it really mysterious though? While it might seem a bit strange, such gaps are common in other forming planetary systems, aligning our solar system with what we've observed elsewhere in the galaxy. Many observations of the Milky Way suggest that our solar system is quite unique, as it's the only known planetary system with life. These unusual features might play a key role in making the solar system habitable. But if the discovery of this structure is confirmed with more observations, it will tell us that our star system isn't that unique after all. Our solar system's Kuiper Belt long appeared to be very small in comparison with many other planetary systems, but these results suggest that idea might have arisen due to an observational bias, Fraser explained. So maybe, if this result is confirmed, our Kuiper Belt isn't all that small and unusual after all compared to those around other stars. Yes, our space observation technology has its limitations, which can lead to biases that make certain features seem unusual when they might not be. If the new Kuiper Belt findings are confirmed, we can rule out one of these supposed oddities, a smaller-than-expected solar nebula. To better understand this discovery, astronomers are continuing to track the orbits of these 11 distant objects. This is a groundbreaking discovery, revealing something unexpected, new, and exciting in the distant reaches of the solar system, said New Horizons principal investigator Alan Stern of the Southwest Research Institute. This discovery probably would not have been possible without the world-class capabilities of Subaru Observatory. While we set our sights on finding life beyond Earth, it's fascinating to realize how much we still don't know about our own solar system. We dream of discovering life on distant exoplanets or moons orbiting gas giants, yet there are still so many mysteries closer to home. For instance, beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus, vast oceans might harbor life. Even closer to Earth, there are surprises waiting. Venus, long dismissed as a barren wasteland due to its hellish surface conditions, has recently shown hints of potential microbial life in its cloud layers. Mars, once thought to be dry and dead, is now known to have water ice just below its surface, and ancient riverbeds suggest it was once far more Earth-like. These findings force us to rethink the conditions under which life could survive, expanding our understanding of habitability right within our own solar system. And what about the possible existence of Planet 9? In 2015, researchers presented evidence of a possible giant planet with an unusual elongated orbit in the outer solar system. Since then, they have been working to prove that their computer models accurately reflect what's happening in these distant regions. Their latest study takes a new look at the Planet 9 hypothesis, focusing on a previously overlooked group of trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, those with long orbits, low inclinations, and paths that cross Neptune's orbit. Using detailed simulations that consider the gravitational pull of the known giant planets, the influence of the galactic tide, and nearby passing stars, the team showed that Planet 9 could explain the strange movements of these distant objects. A major finding was that Planet 9 could push these TNOs into Neptune-crossing orbits, something that models without Planet 9 fail to do, suggesting that a massive unseen object could be causing these effects. The researchers developed a new method to compare their simulation data with actual observations, and this comparison strongly supports the existence of Planet 9. The study also makes testable predictions that future observations, especially those using the upcoming Vera Rubin Observatory, could verify. While alternative theories exist, the researchers believe their findings are strong enough to take the Planet 9 theory seriously. If confirmed, these discoveries would dramatically change our understanding of the solar system's layout and suggest that there could be more unknown worlds lurking at its farthest edges. And the recent revelations about new structures beyond the Kuiper Belt suggest that the edge of our solar system is far more dynamic and mysterious than previously thought. What do you guys have to say? Drop your comments below to let me know. If you like my videos, please consider becoming a member to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe because this is your space.